Hello everyone, this is week 9, part 1 for Cutt Masters Barber College business class. We will be talking about operations management and quality. Competing with operations. In very simple terms, operations refers to the processes used to create and deliver a good or service. To be successful, a company's operations must involve all of the activities required to create value for customers. Operation management refers to the planning and control of a process that includes bringing together inputs such as raw materials, equipment, and labor, and turning them into outputs, products and services that customers want. Competing with operations. The following questions can help you identify factors that will impact a firm's performance and how to make adjustments. How much flexibility is required to satisfy your customers? What is customer demand today? What is the demand trend for the future? What options are available for satisfying your customers? What skills set your firm apart from its competitors? How can you take advantage of these skills? Remember, operations management is important for building competitive strength in the marketplace. Managing operations in the service business. What makes service businesses stand out is the large amount of personal interaction with customers. Research in customer relations has shown that more contact with customers can help employees understand customers better. For a service business, the importance of customer relations requires certain styles of management. Employee training must focus on improving customer satisfaction. There are many different kinds of technology that can help with customer satisfaction. Choosing the right technology is based on how convenient it is for the customer to use. In some cases, technology can provide better service than the traditional model. For example, when browsing Amazon.com, the shopper is provided with customer-driven information such as the following. Frequently bought together, customers who bought this item also bought, what do customers ultimately buy after viewing this item, customer reviews, and customer discussion. The insights provided by these options can help visitors find products that interest them, which leads to increased customer satisfaction. Types of manufacturing operations. Job shops. Job shops are designed for short production runs. Skills are grouped together and work moves in batches from location to location. Project manufacturing. Project manufacturing is used to create unique but similar products such as site-built homes. Because each project is unique, this type of operation has to be highly flexible to meet the requirements of the job and the demands of the customers. Firms that produce one or relatively few standardized products use repetitive manufacturing. This is considered mass production because it involves long production runs. When the product created resembles a stream of product instead of individual items, such as water from a purification plant, this form of repetitive manufacturing is sometimes referred to as continuous manufacturing. Most businesses do not implement a pure version of any of these process types, but rather mix and match in order to gain the benefits of each. Many companies are turning to flexible manufacturing systems, which usually involve computer-controlled equipment that can turn out a variety of products in a smaller or more flexible quantities. Inventory management and operations. Inventory management is an important concept. It can make the difference between success and failure for a small business. Small businesses are often highly customer-focused. However, many also are constantly strapped for cash. This often pushes a business to carry less inventory due to its expense. Capacity, planning, and scheduling. A small company's capacity to produce goods or services is a critical factor. It puts limits on the firm's ability to meet demand and match competitors. It also determines startup costs. In manufacturing, planning, and scheduling procedures are designed to achieve an orderly flow of products at a steady rate. In order to reach this, it is important to avoid production disruption and to maximize use of machines and employees. Part of scheduling includes planning employees' work hours, scheduling customers or appointments, or having a fixed schedule of services. Objectives of inventory and management. The reasons for carrying inventory are numerous. Here is an example. Why do you keep more cereal in the pantry than you need today? To eat or to meet customer demand, to avoid going to the grocery store for each meal, to be less dependent on the source, to have breakfast supplies for guests to eat, to protect against stockouts, to benefit from price discounts, to gain from sales or quantity-based cost reductions, to buy before prices go up, to protect against price increases. Ensuring continuous operations is important in manufacturing because delays caused by lack of materials or parts can be costly. Protecting your inventory is another thing that is important. However, too much inventory causes problems like loss or misplaced items and not enough storage. Inventory cost control. Managing inventory saves money and contributes to profits. One method to managing inventory is calculating the economic order quantity, a relatively simple formula that determines how many items need to be purchased in order to lower total inventory costs. A more advanced method is statistical inventory control. This method allows you to determine statistically the appropriate amount of inventory to carry. Inventory comes with many other related costs, and these are easy to overlook. At a minimum, you should consider the following: storage, land and buildings required, as well as shelving and organization systems, theft, weather, and spoilage.